Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide profile picture in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide your profile picture in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a three-dotted icon available for us where it says more. At the bottom right, tap on it and you'll land on this interface where there is the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings and tap on the privacy button over here just below the account. Tap on privacy and you can see, guys, the fifth option where it says the show your photo. Here it also says let users who aren't in your contacts see your photo. Make sure that the tick mark at the right side of that option is unchecked and it is empty. By that way, guys, your profile picture on Viber will be hidden. And guys, this is how to hide profile picture in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.